Hey, welcome to day 48. Day 48. We're doing fantastic. I'm so proud of myself. I mean, I'm not doing it perfectly, but we're making progress, and that's what it's about. It's not about perfection, it's about progress, and we're making progress. So, yay, me. Today was a fantastic day. I made the most amazing lunch. I had pork chops, I had jasmine rice, and I had avocados insert here. Okay, I'm eating like an adult. I'm having some pork chops, avocado, and some white rice. Yay, yay! I also had 2 apples, 3 bananas, and some grapes. And I had 4 bottles of water. I've already done my workouts and my reading. This is me doing my workouts and my reading. A friend of mine said people make 2 lists about their spouses, and they carry these lists around in their head. The long list is of what's wrong, and they consult the list every day. The short list is about what's right. That list they read for the eulogy. That is the saddest, most real thing I've ever read in my life. That is awful, and I'm guilty of this. I am so guilty of this. Damn. That was like a sucker punch to the gut. I need to do better. Anyways, guys, I just finished doing my reading. Now it's time to go do my work. Let's go. I don't know how to explain it, but I am an incredibly lucky person. Good things, little good things just happen to me. Little and big good things just happen to me on a day-to-day basis where I'm like, wow. 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 That's all I could say. Anyways, let's do this damn workout. Alrighty guys, I just finished doing my workout. I'm going to take my picture and insert it here. I'm currently out on my little walk. This is me doing my little walk. This road isn't somewhere where a lot of people are walking. Usually it's only me or maybe one other person. So when I'm walking, quite a few people stop to check to see if I'm okay. I just think that is so sweet. Like, people stop, check to see if I'm okay, and then they leave. Isn't that amazing? That's wonderful. I love that. I'm getting to a place where my self-discipline is stronger than my feelings. And so when I feel like not doing something, I'm now able to push myself beyond that point. And it's a beautiful feeling. And it's my first time experiencing this, because usually if I don't want to do something, I'm like, I make up a million reasons why I shouldn't do it. But now I'm growing beyond that point. And every day I give myself a pat on the back for just doing little mundane things, but being consistent and doing what I'm supposed to be doing. It's a great feeling. It just occurred to me. No one congratulates you when you're doing mundane stuff. A matter of fact, they're going to ridicule you. But it's the doing of the mundane stuff consistently that gets you to the extraordinary things. So you have to learn to congratulate yourself and give yourself a pat on the back when you do mundane stuff, because that's what gets you to extraordinary. There are people on my dock. Oh, they're leaving. Oh, nice. Oh, great. Okay. All right. Crisis averted. As I was approaching the dock, I saw some people walking on here, and I was like, oh, I won't be able to do my intro on the dock today. But then like a few seconds later, they hopped in their boat and they got away, and I was like, yay! Alrighty guys, that is it for today. Have a super awesome day, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Mwah. Bye!